Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And let's see what it is. We are in November, guys. It is moving along. Pretty soon, the holidays are here. We got Turkey Day coming. Gobble gobble. And now you get one of these. Ooh. Fancy Nancy. Fancy dancy. Ooh. 24-piece polished cutlery set. So we got some forks and knives. Drop you guys down. High quality set contains 6 teaspoons, 6 dinner forks, 6 dinner knives, 6 dinner spoons. Bam! Now let's take a look. Now this would be a nice housewarming gift. Gift to yourself, since we're going to be staying at home for a while, guys. So you might want to pick a few of these up. Get them at the low cost. Here we go. This should be an easy video for us today. Ooh, nice packaging though. Definitely gonna wash these like I always do with my stuff that I get. Ooh, look at this fork. Nice gold. Bling bling. I used to eat out of silver. But now we got the gold spoon. Ooh, this is nice. Great quality made. So you can probably see these on the reality shows. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch these though. That's a nice little spoon. And boom, the soup, I do believe. Look at that though. Nice. Here's a knife. This is nice. I like the style. It is kind of sharp too, so be careful. Don't want to get you no little paper cuts. Great for the holidays coming up, so if you don't have people over, you can still dress up your house. Here's some extra forks. This is a set of 24. The knife right here. Got the forks right here. Bling bling. And the knives right here. We got the extra ones, 1, 2 here. We got the spoons. I already showed that one. The fork, the spoon. The mini spoons. Ice cream spoons or whatever kind of you use it for. And then a soup spoon. So we got extra ones all the way around. And you guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get them now before they sell out because they're going to go fast, guys. So have a good day. Be safe and see you soon.